Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you're all doing well. So this is Shijo again from the Master Vlogs. So friends, what I'm gonna introduce to you is a completely free money transfer app, okay? It's not like any other money transfer apps or banks, whatever you use. It's not like that at all. You don't pay any fees at all, any penny, not even a cent. So that's how important this video is. So make sure you watch it till the end, okay? And you can see the link below, okay, the app and all. So this is the thing. Many of us are still using banks for your money transfer needs, right? So I've been using an app called TransferWise for long, and it was fairly good, and the rates were very good actually, very competitive. So that's been going really well, and then I found out this app called TransferGo. Okay, TransferGo. So that's relatively new. So just like TransferWise, TransferGo also is a very easy to use app. Okay, but it's still in growing phase. It's not as big as TransferWise as yet, but it will grow. It will get there. It might even get bigger than that, or just get on par with TransferWise as well. So I think it's better to start with TransferGo now. You can still be using TransferWise or your bank, but you can just give it a try. Okay, I'll give the link in the description box below. Okay, you can try that, of course. So there's no it doesn't cost too much. You will be transferring money anyways, and it's safer to use this. And I've been transferring using TransferGo almost 3 months now, and I'm very happy with that. So the main difference between TransferGo and TransferWise is that TransferGo runs on a Ripple network. We don't need a Ripple here. We don't need any of that. Okay, there's a lot of risks involved in cryptocurrency, so you don't want to go in there. But we just use TransferGo, which runs on Ripple network, because Ripple is a very fast network for money transfer. Like, it's faster than Swift, MoneyGram, those modes of money transfer. So a Ripple network is faster than that. So they just use a Ripple network to send your money through. Okay, that's all. So you don't need to get cryptocurrency. You don't need to get Ripple cryptocurrency, as in you don't have to buy any cryptocurrency. So you just use their own network. I mean, you are not using that at all. You don't have any relation with Ripple or cryptocurrency at all. You just use TransferGo platform. That's all. Okay. So I just wanted to give you a rough idea about TransferGo. That's all. The network they use to transfer the money. Okay. So let's come back to the topic. So TransferGo even offers free money transfer. Okay, let's just use the app and I will show you, okay, how to use that. And you can just see the user interface, okay, and see how it will benefit you, or will it be any good to you. Okay, so let's just go. All right, let's do that. So go to the Play Store if you're using Android phone. Likewise, if you use iPhone, you go over to the Apple App Store and you type in TransferGo, and you get a page like that. So you can just read the about page there. So it's written, you can see that TransferGo is super fast and easy way to transfer money, like within 30 minutes. And it's being used by hundreds of thousand people now. And yeah, you can send money within 30 minutes if you want, but that costs you about €3. Let's see that now. So that's about it basically. And now here you can see the Peggy 3 score there, which is a safety score, I believe, from the Google Store. So it's a good app. It's installed. Let's open, and you have to put in your passcode. If you haven't used this app, you'll have to register. So it's a straightforward, simple process, you know. You have seen a plus symbol. You tap on that, you will get a page like this now, and you enter the exact amount you want in the Indian rupees or whatever currency you're sending towards. So enter the amount there. So I have put in 10,000 rupees. That's to my father. So that rate is express one, so that money will be delivered in 30 minutes. So I don't want that, so I just go over to the standard version, which is free. Do you see that? It's free, €0 fees. So you get your recipients here. Now you can add your recipient here. There will be a head and a plus symbol. You tap on that, you can add. So it's asking again, when do you want the money there? Like it's tomorrow, 0 fees. Then guys, it's just straightforward. It's just a simple process. You put in all the details as per the instructions, and you put in your card details. The payment is done. See, now the best part is this: you can directly share the tracking info, payment tracking info, to the recipient over WhatsApp or any social media. Now you can see a green head and a plus symbol. I tap on that, I get a page to add the recipient. And you see, it's so straightforward, it's so simple that anybody can do this. It's such a simple app, you know. Basically, they are asking for the country, the first name and the surname, and the bank IFSC code and the account number. That's it. But of course, there is a verification process, but this is simple. This is just your identity verification, you know, your passport, your identity card, or driving license, or whatever, that will do, you know. But they are asking for address if you transfer over £3,500 in 3 months. Otherwise, it's okay. So now friends, you have seen how easy that was and how good is that. Actually, it's really free, like, you know. So try that, and thanks for watching, and this is Shijo signing off from the Manchester Vlogs. I'll see you on the other video, so stay tuned. All right, so goodbye, stay safe, bye. I'll see you on the other video. Okay, bye.